Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my channel. So I will be showing you guys our fried rice recipe. We are going to be using this is liver. I've already cooked the liver. You have to fry it. And then our green beans, you have to fry the green beans. Why you have to fry the green beans? Because it has an accolade taste, which if you don't fry it can make your fried rice to sour or tart. So you have to fry your green beans. You can see it here. Green beans have that accolade taste, so you have to fry it for to make your fried rice to sour or tart. So the next, I have my carrots. Here. You can see I already cut my carrot little, and then I have pepper here, and then I have my already sliced onions. So I'll be using 1.5 seasoning cube, and I have my fried rice recipe. I don't know why jollof rice keep entering my mouth. My fried rice recipe, and I have my pepper, and I have my black pepper, and also I have my curry, and also I have my salt. You can also use stream. I didn't have stream here, so if you have stream, you can also use it. In our pot, we have our chicken and our turkey and our goat meat. So I'll go ahead and put all the ingredients that need to be put in. So I'm going to put our thyme. So going to put thyme. So you are going to allow it to stem. That is why we have not added water yet. We're going to put thyme, and then I'll put curry. So I'm going to put a little bit of curry. Then our bay leaf.
Welcome to Cremate TV. Well, I know I tell you that you're beautiful.
Then I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon.
You are beautiful, don't they? But precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you know more fermentation got you.
That's right. I always put more on it.
Deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedy, so I will give you.
Because I want it to be pepper. You know we are going to be frying it. So I want it a little bit peppish.
You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use. Natural remedy for you. All I tell you that you're beautiful.
So that is why it's freezing. To make it easy for you, if you live in Europe, it make it easy for you to cook. You have already washed your chicken, you just put it in your freezer, and then when you want to cook, you bring it out and put it on the pot and allow it to cook and melt like that. So it's quite easy. You can see. So I'm going to put water to it. So we have already put with the pepper, because when frying, you want the chicken to have taste when you are frying. That is why I'm adding pepper to it. So that's it. Before I start leaving my chicken to cook for a while, so I will prepare my rice. So I'm not going to allow my turkey to done very well before frying, because if it's done very well. And the other thing I added to this recipe is garlic. I can't parboil my meat without no garlic. I put garlic and ginger on it. Just 1 slice of garlic and 1 slice of ginger inside the water of the boiling meat. So I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook, and then I'll show you guys when the meat is ready, and we continue our other recipe.
Such number, cause already got the best. Make up tutorial, it be for you. Lifestyle blogging, it be for you. I be that vlog and cooking for you. Everything be for you. Subscribe, and Yeah. Subscribe, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Tell your friends, may they join us. Oh. Tell your friends, may they join us. So you never hear the gist. So you never get
to be boiling our rice. So here we have our curry water that I'm going to be using to parboil our rice. So I do mine like this. So some people do not do theirs like that, but I love to do mine like that so that it can have that greenish color of it. So you are going to do it like this. You see me, I'm turning it with it's ready. So we are going to be frying the meat. So I'm not going to be taking you guys along when I am frying the meat because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to fry the meat off camera. Okay, I will show you guys when I finish frying the meat. So now I'm going to start to prepare our fried rice. So our parboiled rice is ready, you can see. So let's get started. So I'll be putting my oil in the pot. So this one is okay. I don't
everything there for you. Subscribe, oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Subscribe, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Tell your friends, may they join us. Tell your friends, may they join us. So you never hear the gist. So you never get something. I'm ready for skincare. Vlog and food, that is what I give you. Payment change, I got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back. As we dey go, we no go back. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some more vibe, giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I say they watch your work, God they bless you. Payment change, I got you.
some minutes.
Lifestyle food and feel love. Skincare we give you.
So this is the meat water
Everything
you
that's
already used before. Then I'm going to add my remaining ingredients. Don't turn your rice in fire because it's going to make it burn. So I'm going to remove it for the heat. Then I'm going to add my pepper, my black pepper, my black pepper. I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add the onion because I don't like my onions to be too done. So I'm going to add it on top. So I'm going to add my seasoning cube. I'm going to add my my fried rice. I don't know why I'm always calling jollof rice. I'm going to add my fried rice ingredients. So I'm going to turn it. This is going to make everything green. I'm going to turn it. Make sure you turn it. I'm going to turn it to when the stuff is not on fire. I'm going to add my curry.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told you.
Why you have to put onion so that the oil to fry my meat, because it has low fat. Other oil like groundnut oil, like sunflower, they contain a lot of fat, so that's why I'm using this olive oil. So after our oil is ready, I'm going to start putting our meat inside. So I will show you guys off of camera about that. So I'm going to be adding my carrots. So I allow my carrots to cook with it on top. I'm going to put everything on top. I like to cover it up. So I'm going to do everything here because they could not contest.
You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, don't let no man tell you that you're beautiful. Oh. You are beautiful, don't even precious in your world. Oh. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Still come, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Make up tutorial, it be for you. Lifestyle blogging, it be for you. I been a few long.
Fishing it out. You can see. So that's it for this video. So I'm going to be dishing it out with our meat. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, share with friends and family, and also my membership is able. Do not forget to join my membership by clicking the join button. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay positive, all the best, be nice to one another. I love you guys.